made it back home, and there's a package that arrived, so let's go get that.
You're feeling good, you're feeling right. Across the floor and I'm already losing my mind. Baby girl, looking fine. Watch you playing and playing and playing these guys. Catch my stare.
Alright guys, so the Cellucor sample pack has arrived, so let's open this up. Got the knife on deck, so boom. So we got the woman's tank. I'm gonna just leave it in here. The men's shirt. We got the shaker bottle. And then we have the C4 pre-workout. It is the cherry limeade flavor, 30 servings. We got alpha aminos. We got lots of sample packets of this. However many's in there. And boom, we got sample packets of some protein. So boom, 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 boom. Cellucor. And then most importantly, a bunch of C4 on the go. So if you guys want to snag yourself up, the discount code is ChrisFit. It'll be in my Instagram bio as well as the link down here below. So snag yourself up when you can. So see you guys in a little bit. Alright, actually I figured this would be the great time to talk about Beast and Cellucor. I only like their products, and you guys can tell from my videos that I can't fully vouch for them as much as like I would be able to with Cellucor, because C4 and the Whey is products I've used for years, especially in the beginning when I started off using supplements. I think C4 was actually the first pre-workout I ever purchased, and the Cellucor Whey is kind of like the second one, so I used Gold Standard. Then I was like, you know what, let me try this, and the cinnamon swirl flavor is kind of my favorite. I'm going to try them out, and I'll let you guys know what I think, but yeah, hopefully I can work with them. But I need your guys' help to be able to do that, because I need to sell X amount of sample boxes before they're like, okay, Chris, you have something to offer. So again, I need you guys' support, please, thank you. I'll see you guys a little bit. Alright, so Josh and I are about to hit a back workout. It's going to be quite long, so I'm going to put everything down in the description box below, but in the meantime, you guys can watch this. I'm going to throw it on the screen, and you guys, it's like a bench max.